Ready to unlock the full potential of your Tableau insights with centralized data management and seamless collaboration. First, let's get acquainted with the Tableau Server interface. Once you log in, you'll see the main navigation menu. The Explore section is where you'll find all your projects, workbooks, and data sources. Click on Explore to dive into your organized content. Now, let's focus on user management. Click on Users. Here you can add new users, import from a directory service, or manage existing accounts. To add a new user, click New User, fill in their details, and assign them a site role that determines their permissions. Next is Groups, where you can organize users into teams or departments. This simplifies permission management. Click New Group, name your group, and then add the relevant user's group permissions. Override individual user permissions for ease of use. Permissions are crucial for data governance. Navigate to a project, workbook, or data source, and then click the three dots and select Permissions. Here you can grant or restrict access for specific users or groups, defining who can view, edit, or manage the content. Remember, assigning permissions carefully ensures data security. Let's automate data refreshes. Click Tasks. Now select New Task and fill in all the details. This ensures your workbooks always display the latest insights. Specify the frequency, start time, and the data source to refresh. Then sit back and let Tableau Server do the work for you. Finally, enhance collaboration by sharing workbooks and data sources from a workbook. Click Share and enter the usernames or groups you want to grant access to. Encourage users to subscribe to workbooks for automatic updates. Engage in discussions by adding comments directly within the dashboards.